In this video, I'm going to talk about such a good YouTube AI tool. With the help of, you can turn your videos into the shorts, and not only that, it is also going to give you the titles and the descriptions and the tags. And not only that, every title you can see there is the score. So combining your thumbnail and the title, it is going to analyze the video and give it a score. So this score basically means the higher chance of the impacting viewers mind, so they can click your video after reading out or the watching them in your feed here. So higher the score, there's the higher the chances the viewer is going to click on your video. So if I scroll down below, this is the description. It is automatically generated analyzing my video, and look at the description. This is the really sweet or easy to read here. There is this tags available, then we have the chapters available. So automatically after analyzing my video, this is generated here. Now let me scroll down below, and again we have the tags. Let me go to the till the end, and here the best part, these thumbnails is automatically generated with the AI. And look at the colors, they are really popping up, and these are my prime keyword in the title. So this is how it is going to analyze your video and give you titles, description, tags, and even the thumbnails. And not only that, like I told you, it is also going to turn your long video into the multiple short videos. So you can see this is the view repurpose content. So when I click here, it will start analyzing the content and instantly turn your video into the short. For example, this video turned into the 3 shorts, and not only that, these 3 shorts comes with the description, and there's the link watch the full video, and there's also the score giving up. So this score basically means the engagement of this video, or what you can see the virality chances of this video. The higher the score, the better for you. You can also play the video, you can edit. It's the like a style of the font here in this edit button here, and there's the tag. And not only that, with a single click I can publish this video to my all of the social media platform, whether it's my YouTube, whether it's my Facebook, Twitter, or whatever the platform I have connected here. I can instantly just select here and publish it to that social media profile here. So let me show you what are the channels you can link with Taja AI. So this is the linked account option, and you can see I have connected my YouTube channel, the LinkedIn profile. I can also connect Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the X. So this is the really good platform. That name is the Taja AI, and right now it is available on the App Store starting from the just $49. But you have to hurry, because soon, I think within this week, the prices are going to increase. You can see pricing are increasing in the 4 days. So make sure you get it within this time, because after that it can cost you a little bit extra. So in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed overview and features demo how this platform works and what are the features you can expect it from this AI tool here. So like I said, it is starting from the $49, in which you can generate up to the title, description, or the chapters for the 4 videos. I know it is pretty much low, but as for the individual, I think that is the sufficient. So if you want the higher video limits, you have to go with the double or the multiple plan. I suggest if you have the videos publishing around per month, something like the more than 10, then go with the multiple plan, because here you will get the all the features unlocked and more higher credits. So that's all. Let me show you how this platform works. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to land. And here first it is going to ask you to connect your YouTube channel, because with this you can sync your videos automatically. But if still you don't want to connect your YouTube channel, what I suggest, go to the home. Here you have to just paste the video link. So let me go to my YouTube channel and select any of the videos, so I can show you how this platform works. So I need to get the link of that video. So for me, let me choose this video here and get the link here. So copy link address back to the Taja AI. Now let me paste the video and click on the start. That's all you have to do. Now its AI is going to analyze the video and all the things, and based on that it's going to suggest me the title with the score. Then it will suggest me the description, tags, and I can also get it the thumbnail. So I have to wait a little bit here. It took around 20 seconds, and here's the result. So this is the title it has suggested me, and this is the description. Okay, Now let me scroll down below, and here you can see the generate new thumbnail. So let's see what are the other possibilities it is given me. So right now you can see this is the title, it has given the 100% score, but I can select also from these. Now you can see this is the description it is generated, and here's also we have the tags available with the chapters. Okay, so right now what I can do, I can simply copy whatever the thing I want to get from this. Now let me back to this YouTube studio, back to the videos, and now I can instantly copy and paste in that video. For example, I want to add the chapters in this video here, so I will get it. Now let me go till the end, and here's the chapters I have simply added. Now let me click here on the save. Boom, that's how you use the Taja AI to optimize your video description. Now let me scroll down below, and here we have the tags. Simply I can click here on this copy button and instantly copy all these tags here. Now then after that I can get back to my video back here again, and now let's see where's the tag section. This is the tags, and simply I can paste all these tags and click on the save. That's how I also improve my tags. Okay, so now what you want a thumbnail. Suppose you don't have the proper good thumbnail, so simply don't worry, because we can generate using Taja AI. So simply there are the two options available, fully AI generated and add faces from your video. So I will go with the fully AI generated, and you can see there's the include options available. So yes, I want some options, so let's click here on the generate button. It will take some time to generating the thumbnails. I think I will get around the 3 or 4 thumbnails here, so we have to wait around it, because generating the thumbnail is take around the 30 seconds to 1 minute here. Okay, this time it's only took the around 10 seconds, and here we have the results, you can see. Okay, so the thumbnails I got it is really good, because this one looks mind-blowing here, post Google rankings. Okay, really good. Then this will also looks good. This is my last option, but now let me also show you how this second option works, add faces from your video. So let me click here on the regenerate, and now along with this it is going to generate few more thumbnails for me, and here are the results. It's got me these thumbnails. So you can see there is the no face, because I haven't show my face in any of my videos, especially not this one. That's why it has generated some background, and after on that background it has put some text here. Okay, so I am not very happy with these add faces from your video until I am not showing my face in my video. So still I am going to like this one, fully AI generated. But now let me regenerate and get few more results. Then another thing what I can do, once I got everything here, I can also use its another great feature, that is turning this long video into the shorts or multi-purposing my video here. So let me click here on this view repurpose content, and now it is initializing the content repurposed shorts. So here are all the settings it is given me, like video is processed, so it will take some times, and it is going to create the 9 shorts for me here. So I have to wait till all these processes are done. It took around the 1 minute, and here are all the results. So you can see this is the first reel here. I can give the overview all these shorts here. Okay, but if I want in detail, here are all the shorts in the, like this one is the first, and I got the 85 score with this, and along with the shorts there's the description tags, and there's the link with the watch full video here. Then I have the tag. So all these things I got it here. So let me play this video or this short for you, so you can get idea how this will look like. So first let me maximize the view here, and now start the play.
Then we have the reviews section. So here's the AI part that is going to blow your mind. So best thing, you are going to monitor and analyze all your reviews in this single place. You can see whether it's the 5-star reviews or you have any disappointed customer here. So some of the reviews might be the unreplied here, and some of them you can see are the replied. So how you are going to reply in the
Okay, the first thing that I am not happy here, that these captions are appearing in the middle of the video, and this is just hiding some of the content. So we will click here on this edit option, or now we are going to edit these titles location a little bit bottom here. So let's click on the edit, and now we have here, so this is the caption. I can also use its AI Okay, then we have the design, and these are the b-roll. So in the design there are the some styles for this subtitle. So let me just scroll down. Let me first pause the video. Okay, now I have to go to the b-roll, and I can add the automatically b-roll here. This is the auto b-roll option. So the features for the editing is a lot, but I want to change the caption location. So I will go to the captions. Okay, and now, okay, there is no caption, so I have to simply drag and drop here a little bit, and now you can see that's how I have just changed the location. Okay, now I want to add the b-roll support. So simply go to the b-roll section and click on this auto b-roll. So it is something like the pulsing kind of the effect giving me, so I don't know why. So let me simply click here on the adding b-roll. Now it will start initializing the captions, and based on few captions apart, okay, I got the b-rolls have been successfully generated. You can now preview the video. So let me close and let me preview the video. So let me again expand the video so I can show you in the real view.
So best thing, you are going to monitor and analyze all your reviews in this single page. You can see whether it's the 5-star reviews or the you have any disappointed customer here. So some of the reviews might be the unreplied here, and some of them you can see are the replied. So how you are going to reply, and after that, here's the pro tip. Just copy and paste the keyword you want to be added in your reply here. So for me, this is the keyword falling bus and fall ceiling. So simply add.
Okay, it has added the b-rolls is really good, but for my type of the videos, they are not just suiting me here. Okay, suppose your shorts or your video something like about the stories, then these visuals look good, but I am talking about a tool, so there are the more chances the b-rolls more something like relevant to those videos relevant here. Okay, that's why I didn't like it here, but in other cases it can be work fine. So now let me back to the repurposing here. Okay, so I'm going to apply all these things, and let me back all the sorts option. Yeah, then let me back again, and here are all the sorts. So suppose you are happy with the sort here. Now I am happy because the titles or subtitles start appearing in the bottom here. Now what I can do, from straight out of this dashboard, I can publish this sort in my YouTube channel. So let me show you how you can do that. I can also schedule it. So simply click here on the publish. Now it will rendering the video, so it can be ready to be published on my social media channel here. Okay, so it is doing all this stuff. It can take around the again something like the 10 or 15 seconds. So let's see how much time it is going to give me. Yeah, it took around the 15 seconds something like. Now I have all of my social media connecting profiles. So suppose I want to publish it on my YouTube channel, simply I can see here the YouTube upload option. So click here, then it is asking me the privacy status. I will go with the public here. Okay, and then I have to select. Okay, I am unable. Yeah, I have selected, and now it will start uploading. Then I can upload on my LinkedIn profile as well. So there's the thing available that if you are uploading on the YouTube video, you cannot use other social media profiles uploading. You can see the button is not available, so I have to wait till this uploading is doing here. Okay, so we have to wait, and let's see how much time it is going to take. So let me close this one and click here the publish button again, and let's see. Yeah, it's still not available. Until it is not ready to be published, I cannot simultaneously publish on the other social media profiles. Yeah, it is done here. So let me close and click on the publish button again, and this time it is ready to publish on my LinkedIn profile as well. So I will publish on my profile as well, and it will going to use the captions. So let me show you. It is going to use these captions hashtags, and it tags automatically on the social media profile I have selected. Okay, so that is the beautiful part. I can also do with the same thing here. Okay, it is the uploaded. I got the successful prompt here. Then there's the same thing I can do with the this second reel, the third reel, and you can see that I have changes this single reel. I have just relocated the captions location here, and now you can see for all the reels or the shorts, this edit is automatically applied. So that is the again beautiful part of the AI here. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about the Taja AI right now available on the app Sumo. in the summary I want to say, if you can connect your YouTube channel, it will be the better. But if you don't want, just simply paste your YouTube videos link here, and after that it is going to give you the titles, suggestion, description. You can also generate your thumbnails, or you can turn your long videos into multiple short videos, and straight out of the single dashboard you can publish your short videos to the multiple platform, whether it's your TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, or even your YouTube platform. You can even schedule it. So this is the tool, and there's also a team section available. If you have the multiple team members, you can add them in the platform as well. So let me show you what are the features we can expect in the future. Okay, so this is the roadmap. Let me go to the roadmap, and there are the multiple consistent updates they are doing in their platform. And even as for till this date, they have some crazy things planned, like improved thumbnail generation. This is going to be generation 5. Then we have the ability to add branding overlays for the thumbnails, next video scrolling, associate shorts videos with YouTube playlist on sync and the publish. Okay, and these are in the process, and these are completed all the updates. So the platform is really good. They are doing really good work, consistent updates they are doing, and they are some really good features in the roadmap they have available. So right now what I suggest, get its lifetime deal, because few days after the pricing it is going to increase. And if you have the around something like the 10 videos a month publishing, I suggest go with their multiple plans, because here you will get the limit of the 12 videos. But if you can get its tier 4, there are the unlimited videos option you can get. So this is really the valuable deal. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button so I get to know you are liking these kind of the videos. Make sure you also subscribe this my channel here and check out these videos as well. In this video I have also talked about the local SEO tool. With the help of you can do or rank your local businesses higher. So make sure also check it out this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.